Silence, you in.
I won't stay there. You know what I call it, just there. And so, like I was saying, the presentation, the preliminary report that was presented and released at Women's Court, there were specific recommendations made. A key among the recommendations is the establishment of a monitoring network that will monitor programs of government as well as partners, programs that are youth-driven, that people will not just say they have done this without other people there to really see whether what they said they have done is true or not. So if we are calling on our partners, on our friends in America, and even the government to create the political will so that a network of youth evaluators will be established, so that at the end of the day, they will keep track on, they will take stock on government programs in our country as well as funding that comes towards youth development programs in our country, so that tomorrow the situations that we are experiencing today, health situation, where people have to start to put buckets in land by 2 o'clock to draw water, where people will be asked to only draw water on a specific day in a whole town, that after this day you don't draw water until after another 5 days. There's no real access of drinking water, safe drinking water. People who went in the fields, they know they saw those things, so that those things cannot continue. Because if you take the report and measure with actuality on ground, there's a serious demarcation, there's a serious gap in what is being written and what are being implemented in the field. Like for example, we went in some communities in Niba, in Bon, where you could see billboards, water and sanitation, and the people are crying for water business. They do not have access to water. Then you got big billboard that says this program has been implemented by this, focusing on water and sanitation, agricultural program, and all of those things. So if we had a very active monitoring and evaluation team that is part of government intervention to be tracking on programs about government, I think those things that we're experiencing today as young people in the communities will not be experienced. And even if they are going to be experienced at a minimum rate.
Okay, thank you for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you. It was great talking to you.